So this and this is the current state of our house. Well, this is a problem. So we're moving this week, and that is a problem, especially with the weather. This is what it looks like, and we're moving on Saturday. If the weather keeps up this way, I'm wondering how we're going to actually move. You see, this was a real bummer because for the past couple of weeks, we've been trying to stay really diligent and proactive to reduce stress coming move-in day. We visited a ton of properties weeks prior and finally landed on one that we felt was perfect for the three of us. We signed a lease, we booked movers, we moved books and packed away all of our things. I even bought myself a drill to get things off our wall and packed away. This makes me feel like a man. Didn't realize was living out of boxes is actually very difficult, and there's always the things you take for granted, like your socks or even mugs for when you need to drink tea. But that wasn't the real issue, it was the weather. And because meteorologists are the only people in the world who can get things wrong consistently and hold their job, Minna and I have been like glued to our phone and the weather forecast to see what the weather is going to be like, if it's going to hold up, and we're really crossing our fingers because it'll be such a headache to try to move with all this snow piled up, and if it's falling at the same time. Number one, it's a hazard risk, and number two, for the sake of the movers, I'm really hoping it doesn't snow. It is T-minus 2 days before the move. And we got more snow. It's probably about an inch or two, but every little inch counts at this point, and right now it looks like we're in the clear. Please, if the weather holds up, please. This is our first look of the new place. It's looking pretty good. The weather is going to hold up. It's not going to snow tomorrow. Yeah, I think so. Good morning. It is move-in day. I think we might have jinxed ourselves yesterday because we have a winter advisory warning right as we're about to move. So the movers are coming today around later in the afternoon, around 2 or 3, and that's when the winter storm is about to start. I kid you can't make this stuff up. You really can't make this up. Like, you're coming at 3, literally. It's starting at 3 p.m. So at this point, we're like, oh crap. So we decided it might be a good idea to start moving things a little bit early, so maybe, just maybe, we can beat the clock. Because Lord knows the worst thing to do is to move while it's raining, while it's snowing, while it's icy, while it's slippery, because that is a nightmare when you're trying to move in one piece. Oh, where do I put this? So we've moved in. Make this short and sweet. I am exhausted. Pretty much spent the whole day trying to organize the house. We had a little kind of like some drama with movers, but then when do you ever not have drama with movers on a moving day? Didn't get to record too much just because it was so crazy, but I stabbed my hand while cleaning. Like, it was like maybe like an inch long splinter that like went through my skin. It was pretty gross. And I was being a big old baby about it. Otherwise, we had a lot of help from Minna's parents, got a lot of things organized. It's been a long day, but the most important part, it didn't snow.